Welcome TMPF Nation! I'm Sister Nature presenting this week's episode of TMPF's Species Smackdown. Today's matchup will be exhilarating, exciting, and as always featuring two species in pursuit of the title. Let's head over to Max Mallard to meet the contenders.
Introducing the visiting competitor. Coming all the way from Eurasia, this biennial Asteraceae species stands 6 feet tall with brilliant purple flowers. This plant might nod off, but is a force to be reckoned with because of its spiny leaves. Here is Carduus Musk Thistle nutans. Introducing next, representing the home state of Nevada, but is common throughout the western U.S., this species has a golden yellow flower and likes its feet wet in moist soils. Standing a beefy 5 foot tall with toothy leaves, please welcome Solidago Nevada Goldenrod spectabilis.
Let's get ready to tumble!
Contender, I want to see a good, clean fight today. I don't want to see any clippings, no root digging, and definitely no mowing. Goldenrod, are you ready? Musk Thistle, are you ready? Fight!
Round 1, Musk Thistle grows a deep taproot and rosette to start its establishment, but Nevada Goldenrod counters with its sturdy rhizomatous root structure. Nevada Goldenrod wins this round. Round 2, Nevada Goldenrod continues to grow its rhizomes and sprout flowers to begin the seeding process. However, Musk Thistle counters with its own seeding, which outnumbers Nevada Goldenrod by producing over 120,000 seeds per plant. Musk Thistle wins! Round 3, while Nevada Goldenrod continues to put up a good fight, Musk Thistle has the advantage with its 10-year seed life. Musk Thistle also has the help of wind, water, and animals to aid in its dispersion. Musk Thistle pulls off the upset.
Thanks for checking out another episode of TMPF's Species Smackdown. For more content, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation. For more information on Musk Thistle and Goldenrod management, check out the links below.